Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. We had our grand opening and open house today and it went very well. For those of you who couldn't attend, let me give you a tour. This is our sign and our front door. And as you enter, on the left are our dressing rooms. They still need painting and a lot of little niceties, but they will get them. First one is currently being used to store over leftover junk from the build, and right now extra boxes of pads. This is more of the model here. Second dressing room, equipped with mirror. Sorry if I'm moving too fast. Let me slow down. Over here we have our Mokyang jongs. And over here the kicking and punching bag station. The mirror, equipment, and the main floor. There is a storage cabinet back here, which will be used to store the kind of things that you need: brooms, vacuums, and a place this tall, a ladder. The whiteboard. And this is the look back towards the dressing rooms. The door with a light leads to a hallway between us, and well within martial arts. So that's pretty much it. And I've got a few little things. This table will not stay here indefinitely. This is goodies from the open house. This will be my office area, currently cluttered. And then as we pass through the hallway, here we have well within martial arts. A lot of the stuff you will recognize from my old videos as I rented space from Dan when he didn't have class. Now he and I both have full time to devote to our classes. So there you have it. That's the gwoon, guan, school, whatever you want to call it. I hope you're having a great day. Keep on training.